This is a video to help you log on to PickATime.com and block your schedule for parent-teacher conferences. The first step that you will need to do is simply go to the website PickATime.com. Once you have that page loaded, you will go to Login. Your login is your school email address. I am using a demo account to show you this. And your password. If you used this last fall, you would have set up a password. If you have forgotten that password, simply click Forgot Password, or you can contact myself or Dan and we can reset that password to the generic default. To those of you that this is the first time, you will use, you have two options. One, you leave this empty, click Login, and the next page will ask you to set up a password, or you use the generic login, which is the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you click on Login. If this is your first time, the next page will ask you to change your password to something different. And if you've already set it, then when you click Login, it'll take you to a page that will look like this. On this page, the only piece that you need to be looking for is this rectangle right here, Block Schedule. That block schedule will only appear when the appointment scheduler is not available yet to parents. So on Friday is probably when this will go away, because I will start preparing for parents to be able to access the schedule. So please try to get this done before Friday. And then after Friday, you will not see this. If something changes, you can contact myself or Dan, and we can still change your schedule. But for you to do it yourself, it has to be done before Friday. So simply click on Block Schedule. Now, if you're an elementary teacher, I have already moved your schedule that you started into parent-teacher conferences. Please double check to make sure it's correct. If not, please let Dan or myself know. If you're middle school or high school, we have put in a generic 4 to 8 Monday through Thursday for you to be available. We only have to do 6 hours, so obviously we were going to block some of these times out. So if you decide, so here, I guess, let me explain this first. If you would see a black square, that means someone has already scheduled an appointment at that time. No one should have that yet. If you see a white with it being blocked, that just means that you have physically gone in here and blocked it. If it's just white, that means that it was done on the admin side of it, that we've already said that you're not open on those spots. So if we look at these on Wednesday from 5:30 to 8 o'clock, I have it being blocked. No one can make an appointment with me. I've also decided I've got a couple times here. I don't want to be here at all on Monday past 7. So I'm going to click a blue square and it will come up. All you have to do is say make unavailable. If you wish to put a notation here, you may. It can simply say not available. It's up to you, or it can be blank. So you click on OK. Now that spot is blocked and parents will not be able to make appointments during that time. If I wanted to make one more, I click, make it unavailable, say OK. If something changes for some reason and you're like, okay, I need to now change this and be available on Wednesday at 5:30. You click on the white, say now I'm available, and click on OK. And now you're scheduled. When you're done, click Done, the bottom, which then will take you back to your original page. That's all there is to it at this point for blocking your schedule. You can go back over to your name on the left and log out.